Assalamu alaikum. Let's continue the love story between Mahmoud and Samira. Let's see how it moves. بعد شهور قليلة. بعد شهور قليلة means after a few months. شهور شهر شهور months. After a few months, what I did ذهبت. I went لأصلي العصر. I went to pray Asr prayer في المسجد النبوي at Masjid al-Nabawi. كنا في شهر رجب. At that time it was the month of Rajab. Kunna means we were in the month of Rajab. وقد بدأ started. Who started? زوار العمرة. The visitors for the Umrah. Zuwar is the plural form of Zair. Zair means one visitor. Zuwar means visitors. So the visitors for Umrah, they started Bada'a. They started what they started? يتوافدون. They started arriving على الحجاز. They started arriving Saudi Arabia, right? صليت. Then I prayed. ثم دعوت الله. Then I started asking to Allah, or I started supplicating. What I asked to Allah, اغفر لي يا رب. Please forgive me, O my Lord. اغفر لي يا رب. Forgive me, O my Lord. ثم سمعت. Then I heard من ورائي, from my behind. وراء means behind. All right, or from my back I heard صوتا. I heard a sound, a voice. يقول, the voice is saying, وهل يغفر الله غفر يغفر وهل يغفر الله للصوص الخائنين. When I was asking forgiveness from Allah, then I heard a voice. The voice is saying, does Allah ever forgive the thieves, those who are cheaters? Okay. All of a sudden, a voice was saying behind me when I was asking forgiveness from Allah. What was the voice saying? The voice was saying, does Allah forgive the thieves who are cheaters? Kha'inin means cheaters or treacherous. At the time, وَجَمُدَ الدَّمْ فِي عُرُوقِي. The blood got stopped, or the blood became froze, or the blood froze in my veins, right? I got astonished, I got shocked. Jamuda means got frozen. All right, what got frozen? Dam means blood. في عروق. عرق means vein. 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 عروق means veins. All right, I got surprised, I got astonished, I got shocked. كان صوت الأستاذ سلامة, because that was the voice of أستاذ سلامة. Do you understand? وفي سكون, silently, التفت. I looked خلفي, behind. I looked behind. وجدته جالسا في ركن. I found him. He was sitting at one of the corner. All right. Ruknin means corner. Jalisan means sitting. Wajadtu means I found him. Who means him. ظللت واجما لحظة. I got stopped. I got stunned. I got silent. Wajiban means stopped, silent. I got silent for a while. لحظة means for a moment. All right. ثم تقدمت نحوه. Then I moved to him. I started going to him. نحوه means toward him. So here we can see the picture. Ustaz Salama is sitting behind Mahmoud, the thief. All right, the lover of Salama, the husband of Salama. Do you understand? So this is the bold man, Ustaz Salama, and this is Mahmoud. So, وقلت, then I told, بحق الله, by Allah, يا أستاذ سلامة, O Ustaz Salama, ما شعرت بالحياة. I never felt alive. ما شعرت means I never felt, or I did not feel بالحياة. Okay? I did not feel alive لحظة, for a single moment. منذ, since. فعلت ذلك, since I did that. Since I did that, since I stole your money, I could not feel alive even for a single moment. Then Ustaz Salama said, إذن then فأنت تعترف, then you acknowledge your crime, acknowledge that you did something wrong, right? Ustaz Salama is asking. That means you are acknowledging, all right? You are blaming yourself then? Then Mahmoud said, هل يمكن أن أكذب وأنا في هذا المسجد? Is it possible for me that I will lie وأنا في هذا المسجد when I am in the mosque? So when Ustaz Salama asked, that means you acknowledge your crime, you acknowledge that you wronged. Then Mahmoud said, is it possible that I will lie when I'm in the mosque? I cannot lie. That means, yes, I acknowledge that I stole your money. Then Ustaz Salama said, what Ustaz Salama said? Ustaz Salama said, لماذا فعلت ذلك يا خائن? Oh cheater, oh cheater, why did you do that? لماذا, why فعلت ذلك? Why did you do that? هل قصرت في حقك؟ هل قصرت في حقك? Did I ever fail you? Or did I make anything lesser for you? That means, did I cut anything that you deserve? I always gave you whatever you deserved. Then why did you do that, يا خائن, oh cheater? هل آذيتك مرة? Did I ever hurt you? آذيتك, آذى, you, they means hurting someone. So did I ever hurt you? Even for a once, مرة? Ustaz Salama asked. Then Mahmoud said, Billahi, by Allah, alayk, Ya Sayyidi, la tuwabbikhni, don't scold at me, don't shout at me, don't say me anything. Okay, don't tell me anything. Ya Sayyidi, la tuwabbikhni. Wabbakha yuwabbikhu means shouting at me. Don't reprimand me, right? إنني ألوم نفسي ليل نهار. I am blaming myself. ألوم means I am blaming myself. نفسي means myself. ليل نهار. Okay, day and night, day and night. I'm always blaming myself. Whatever I did, لا توبخني. Don't tell me anything. Okay, I can understand my fault, right? I realized my fault. Then Ustaz Salama asked, لماذا فعلت ذلك? Why did you do that? Then he said, الشيطان يا أستاذ سلامة. Shaitan did. الشيطان لعب بي. The devil, he played with me. Then Ustaz Salama asked, and ومالي? And what about my money? Mahmoud said, عندي, I have your money. كاملا لم أمسه. كاملا, the full money, all the money. كاملا means all the money. عندي, I have. لم أمسه, I didn't touch it. Who means the money. أعيده, I will give you back. لك الآن, I will give that for you. لك means for you. Who means the money. I'll give that for you. الآن, now, إذا أردت, if you want. I will give you back. I will return you. ولكن, but سألتك, I am asking you, please. But I'm asking you, بالله ألا تفضحني. Don't insult me. Please don't insult me. Okay, I'm asking you, please don't insult me. المال في بيتي. The money is at my place. The money is at my house. I'll give you. No problem. But don't insult me. Don't expose me. Okay. Then Ustaz Salama said, Sir Amami ila baitik. Then let's move. Let's go. Sir, move. Amami. You go ahead me. Ila baitik, at your home. Go, come with me. Or you go forward. وخرجنا معا. Then we came out together. Alright, معا means together. Came out means came out of the mosque. عندما, when كنا بالباب, when we were at that door, التفت نحوه, I looked at him. وقلت, then I told, ولكن قل لي but tell me ولكن قل لي but tell me كيف عرفت مكاني. How did you know my location? How did you know my place? How did you know that I'm here? Then he said لم أعرف مكانك. I did not know your place. I did not know your location. ما كنت عندي فكرة. I did not have any idea أنك هنا, that you are here. I did not have any عندي فكرة means I have idea. ما كانت عندي فكرة means I did not have any idea that you are here. ولكنك but عندما سرقت مالي, but when you stole my money, أوقعتني في ضيق شديد. You put me, أوقعت means أوقع يوقع means putting anything. أوقعتني, you put myself في ضيق شديد, in trouble, in intense trouble. Do you understand? وأزمة مالية, you put myself in financial crisis. Azma means trouble, crisis. Malia means financial. ضيق means intense. Okay, I got, I found myself in trouble when you stole my money. Then Mahmoud asked, وهل أبلغت الشرطة? Did you go to the police? Then Ustaz Salama said, الشرطة فقط. The police only. The police only. لقد انقلبت الدنيا عليك رأسا على عقب. The the whole world got turned عليك, for you, from up to bottom. رأسا means upside down actually. رأسا على عقب means upside down. That means the world got turned upside down بحثا عنك, to look for you. That means I did everything possible to look for you. I turned the whole world, whole earth upside down, only to look for you. I did not only go to police, I did everything possible to look for you, to get back my money. ثم عرفت أنني هنا. Then Mahmoud said, then you knew that I'm here. Then you knew that I'm here. Then Ustaz Salama said, قلت لك, I already told you. لا, no. لم أعرف, I did not know your location. I had no idea about your location, about your place. So how did I come here? بعد أن انتهت الأزمة, right? After my trouble was over, when I got released from my trouble, when my financial crisis was gone, فكرت أن أسافر. I thought to travel, or I decided to travel إلى الحجاز, to Saudi Arabia. وأقضي العمرة. I decided to spend my time for Umrah, right? I decided to perform Umrah. فكرت means I thought, or I decided. إلى الحجاز means Saudi Arabia. أقضي means spending time. وحضرت إلى هنا, then I came here. حضرت إلى هنا means I came here. ووجدتك, and I found you. I found you. You are the cheater. You are the loser. You are the thief who is asking forgiveness from Allah in the mosque. So let's see in the next video what will happen with Mahmoud. Assalamu alaikum.